have a look at Robinhood stock. So still downtrending, down another 10% today. It's trading at $21.68. All right. And market capitalization of this stock at the moment is about 18 billion. So here's the issue for this stock. All right. And I am telling all this. Okay. So if you don't know, many people not familiar with this channel has existed maybe for a year, but I have had Robinhood account since late 2016, early 2017. It's been 5 years now, all right? And I have known Robinhood since 2014, okay? And I have used actively my account since 2017, traded penny stocks, traded blue chip stocks, traded options, whatever product they had, I have used except for cryptocurrency. But one problem with them has always been is the speed of their execution. And also they have they're having a challenge this 2021 with their a lot of people switching their accounts, right? I think people going elsewhere. TDM Air Trade, that's what I use. This is it right here, right now, for more of a professional day trading actions. And also maybe Webull, people are switching there. And last earnings they reported, they said that pretty much, maybe not Robinhood, but it's just research was done that this year pretty much like 20% of traders just disappeared. They lost everything, and they don't trade anymore. They don't exist anymore. And this is such business where I mean, it doesn't like showing up. This business doesn't pay you for showing up. All right, trading, investing business. If you don't make money, you're gonna be out of money, out of markets. And same thing with Robinhood. For them to keep making more money, they need to see more transactions. They need to see more activity on their platform, because they make their money from the volume, from every volume. Pretty much, they sell orders to other clearing firms, and I have tested it many times. When I press a button to buy a contract, let's say for 5 cents, they will try to sell it at the market price of 10 cents or something like that, and they will try to make money like this. And when user growth go down, well, their revenue goes down. And also, this is not a profitable company yet, new IPO, all right? And also they went with pretty high valuation as well to the public, so it can definitely bleed. But enough of that, let's go take a look at technicals. What I'm watching here, so for the stock to reverse, or if you are in that well, if you want to time the reversal for the stock, my general rule of thumb is 5-day moving average, that blue line on my screen. All right, and whenever stock gets back above 5-day moving average, and even 20-day moving average for a bigger time frame, for a monthly, if you want to swing for a couple months, you need to keep an eye on that indicator. There are a lot of people, I mean, I'm not personally into these a lot, such as like RSI, MACD, but I use it just to see what's going on with the trend. All right, just to define trend, not to actually trade whenever I see like crossovers, bearish or bullish, but just to see the momentum. And you can say, yes, it is oversold short term. It can definitely see some sort of a relief bounce. If you look at RSI as well, very, very oversold. Yes, it can happen, and it can definitely go back to these $26, $28 levels. But I do think that it's gonna take a while. I'm gonna compare it to Snapchat IPO basically. Let's have a look at Snapchat's IPO, like price action, what it did after going public. Pretty much similar, just you guys have a picture. Like, it's, of course I can be wrong, but I have followed IPOs so many times, and look what happened when Snapchat went IPO. Basically same thing. All right, they go IPO somewhere around like 13 maybe. Let's go, yeah, it was 2018. Yep, goes up all the way till, let's take a look at maybe a little further, because I remember it was trading around 27 once they went public. Yep, somewhere here, goes up from 20 to 29, comes down, and look how it downtrends for 2 years before coming back up finally. Same thing with Lyft IPO and Uber IPO. Okay, so exact same thing I'm expecting with Robinhood. It's tough business out there. It's gonna take some time. A lot of people, 20% left this year. Imagine in 2022 when market becomes a little bit difficult to trade, little bit we're gonna see more bearish action than bullish action. I can imagine that pretty much half of the people who came to trade 2021, they're gonna just leave, not because they don't want to, but because they will not have more money to trade with. And this is psychologically very tough business. It took me about 3 years to become profitable. So, and I think that this stock will do exact same thing. It can definitely go back down to these $10, $7 levels. And you can call me insane, delusion, whatever. You call me whatever you want. But that's my thought. And of course, it's not going to be straight down. But usually, these kind of IPOs, you should give them at least 1 year, and it hasn't even been 4 months now since they started trading. So that's my thought for Robinhood. A little bit of a technicals and a little bit of just my thoughts with this name. So I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you did. See you in the next one.